Another morning, and it's too early. What is it, almost 5 o'clock? I'm coming out here to start the truck, warm it up. We've got a little bit of rain in the air. It's, what is it, about 32, between 32, 33 degrees. So we are headed up to get some salt, and I guess we'll put some salt down and see where this storm goes today. I hate mornings. Have I made enough to move to the Caribbean yet? Not quite yet, but maybe after this storm. We'll see. Alright, let me go pour my coffee, and then we'll get our butts on the road and get moving here. Well, we have some salt. Not a full bin, but I guess it's enough to get us through this storm. Hey, there's two of our guys over there. Damn, that's a bright light. Holy crap. I'm being blinded.
The back corner? Oh, on the back rack thing. Oh, it's raining out here. Oh, damn it, I can't reach that like this. You were not that specific with your hand to me.
Well, okay, we are loaded with salt. It is 20 minutes to 6. We've got a light rain that is pretty steady, and it is 30 degrees. Everything on the truck is coated with ice. So this isn't good. This was supposed to start out as snow, but I have not seen any flakes yet. snowflakes, the stuff coming out of the air. Yeah, I have not seen any of those yet. So let's hope we don't continue to get this freezing rain all day, because that will be problems, and we've already seen what that did to Texas. We don't need it in St. Mary's. All right, we're gonna go spread some salt. You know what? It's raining and it is freezing to everything, so I think I'm gonna go grab my chainsaw and put it in the truck, just so I've got it and I'm prepared. This looks like it's gonna get nasty today. All right, I cannot carry the chainsaw and the gas can and the oil, so I'm turning you off. Can you see that? That's ice. Ice. Ice is on everything. Oh boy. Yeah, can you see that? That's my antenna, all iced up. And wipers iced up. And pine trees, can you see the pine trees all iced up? Yeah, it is icy, but the temperature reading on my truck has come up to 35. It was at 29:30 when we started 2 hours ago, so that's a good sign that it's coming up. But my website at home is showing still below freezing, 30.7. So I'm not sure what to believe here. Roads are just wet. No ice that I have run across on the roads. So we'll keep on doing what we're doing. Okay, I had to stop and get a refill of coffee. But oh my God, just in the short time I've stopped, things have really iced up. My door handle, look at that, all iced up. Yeah, and it's still raining, but hey. I've got fresh coffee, and we are ready to do it again. And besides getting a fresh cup of coffee, I also had to make sure the wife went to work. Somebody's got to support my habits of having fun. So yeah, she went off to work as well. Wow, can you see that? The ice hanging from the tree there. Things are just kind of turning white from ice. This is my indication of how bad it is. The pine branch here. Where is it hitting? Not quite down to the windshield yet. So it just barely scraped the truck. We'll keep an eye on that. right, here we are, 2 hours later, and well, yeah, it's hitting the hood of the truck now. Yeah, we've had a lot of ice and freezing rain. How am I going to get around here? Let's go this route, I guess. And I've got a limb down in my driveway. Well, hey, look at this. The tree limb is not even going to touch my truck. It is now melting. We're up to 34 degrees, so that is good. But yeah, there's a lot of ice on some of these trees. And can you hear that? It's falling. It's almost like sleet is falling out of the sky. Yeah, power outages have not been too bad. When I looked about an hour ago, hour and a half ago, I think we had about 800 customers in our county without power, so that really is not too bad. Just, you know, a few outages here and there. So hopefully we have been spared the worst of this. Ow! Whoa! This ice falling down off of these trees and hitting us now. Oh my gosh. Well, as I said, hopefully we have been spared the worst of this. There's been reports of a few trees down in the road. Ah! Oh, can you hear that? So I'm still just checking the roads here. I don't see any spots that need salt on them. I think we're okay, but we'll keep checking them out, and hopefully we don't get hurt by any of this falling ice. You know, I'm not so sure how much longer that tree is going to stand up. Hold on, let me get this. Hello. Hey. Okay. I don't know. I'd have to get another load. No, I'm riding around now looking, and the only ice on the road is what is falling off of the trees. But no, the temperature's 32, 33 degrees, and no, I really don't think we need any more. There's nothing coming down right now. No, based on what I'm seeing down here, I'm down at Camp Winslow now, riding around looking, and I really don't think it's going to do any good to put anything else down. Okay, I'll send a message out to everybody. I think everybody is out of salt or is just about run out. So let me check with them and see what time they can be home. But I'm guessing 5:30. All right, I'll send a text and let you know what the end time is. All right, thank you. See ya. It's Friday morning, February 19th. Let's see where the pine tree is here. Well, yep, we're sagging a little bit. You can see everything is iced over. But the good news is we still have electricity. Yes. We went off the clock last night. I think it was about 9 o'clock. They finally said, okay, we're done for the night, but don't turn your phones off. Because we could call you back out if things freeze up. Well, we did not get the call, thankfully. So it rained through the night off and on. I think a lot of it was freezing rain. Our temperature has been right there at that, there's a branch in the road, partially in the road. Temperature's been right at that 31, 32 degree mark. But we've been fortunate to keep our electricity. Luckily the winds haven't been blowing, so that has helped us a lot. And roads look okay. They're just wet. We put salt on them yesterday, and I guess that is keeping them from icing up. I'm just headed down to the hardware store to check on things, make sure everybody got to work okay. And I guess I will be in my office the rest of the day, just catching up on some book work, and maybe edit this video and get it uploaded. We'll see how that goes. Lots of ice, lots of ice. Okay, I guess I can end this one, unless we get called out today to put some salt down, which I don't think that's the case. This stuff is supposed to be out of here in a couple more hours, and temperatures going into the mid-30s today, so most of this stuff should be melting and going out of here. But my gosh, it is wet with all of this rain that we've had the last week. Okay, until next time, see ya!